What I'm working on here today is a newer Briggs powered lawnmower, and it is not starting, and it's hard to pull over. And upon closer inspection, the cable for the engine control is compromised here, and even if you pull the bail, it is not moving the cable in there to release the brake and not short out the spark. So we're going to go ahead and replace that cable. Okay, on the very top here there are 3 bolts that we're going to remove, and those are 8mm or 5/16. Now with those 3 bolts removed, simply pick the cover up here, and then you can look at your brake assembly here, and depressing the bail, you can see that this is not moving at all right down here. This needs to be pulled back. Yeah, up where the bail attaches, there is a clamp there. We will go ahead, it's just a plastic thing that goes through the hole. We'll go ahead and take a screwdriver and pry that out of there. With that pried out, you can just simply turn that a little bit, and the little Z fitting there comes out. Okay, now on the engine side here, to get that cable to release, what we're going to do is take a locking pliers and clamp it on the spring here, pull the spring back and take that tension off of here, and now there is no tension on this cable here. We can go ahead and remove that. Now we can take a pliers, pinch on here. There is a slot in here, so once that is through, this will come out. The only thing remaining holding that cable on is a zip tie. We'll go ahead and cut that off. And now our cable is off. Next, you're going to want to look over your machine for a decal that has your manufacturer, and that'll give you your model number. And you'll need that, and sometimes your serial number, to order parts so you can purchase a new cable. Okay, I have an engine control cable here that I'm going to slip in here. Just push that up in there. The end will just simply snap in here. Now we can go ahead and hook our spring back up. Okay, put our top Z-bend in there, and then we'll go and connect this through that hole. We'll just push it in. Okay, now when we pull the bail down, it disengages the brake for the flywheel. Okay, put a zip tie on the cable. Now we'll put the cover on. Put our recoil housing in here. Might have to pull the cord till it snaps down in there. Then we'll put our 3 bolts in there.